Alright, so back in December 15, 2017, that was like almost exactly 3 years ago, I filmed this Rheem unit right here, and it was off at that time, and it was like at nighttime, so here it is back again after 2 years, almost 3 years exactly. If you guys may not remember this unit, I filmed this when it was my first ever video on this channel. So, and here it is back again, revisited. That's really cold and that's really sweating. That's really hot right there. There's a Rheem, and it's from December of 2013, and it's a 3.5 ton. So, I know this is probably not original to the house. It looks like it replaced an older unit because of the old lines right there. That one was probably not it at all. This is a really small unit for a 3.5 ton. But whatever. Can't get it starting up or shutting down. But here's just a video of it. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. It's got R410A in it too. It's a pretty nice unit after all. It's a pretty good, decent shape unit. But yeah, this is a 2013 3.5 ton Rheem unit. Guess I have no other words to say. Over and out.